قابلنا التحدي في مدرسة الحسام، أسسنا منهج علمي يبقى لهم دليل، بنواجه الأزمات بفعل ومش كلام، ونجيب لكل المشكلات حل وبديل، علشان إيماننا بربنا وحب ببلدنا، قدمنا ليكم علمنا علشان ولادنا، عهدك علينا يا مصرنا لما تعهدنا، توصل رسالة علمنا لكل جيل في مدارس الحسام.
Hello, my dear students. Hope that all of you are fine. Hope that everything is okay. How are you, Abdullah? How are you, Habiba? Are you okay? Have you listened to the song? Have you heard it? I guess you enjoyed it a lot. I'm really happy to be with you here to provide you with a content that help you understand today's lesson and answer the questions of HIS worksheets. So let's go.
Hello all students of Secondary 1 and welcome to the first session of HIS Remote Learning System. Hope you will find that enjoyable. Today I will explain Grammar Unit 7, Part 1, the cleft sentences. So concentrate while watching this video, because after watching this video you will be able to use different kind of cleft sentences in your speech, improve your writing style, and answer the questions in your worksheets. Before we start our lesson, I'd like to tell you a situation. Suppose that we played a football match against Secondary 2A, and surprisingly, our class won 2-0, and only one player scored the 2 goals. Let's imagine that Marwan is the player who scored them. Now, if we want to highlight Marwan, what should we say? Can you think with me? Yeah, exactly. We should say, it was Marwan who scored the 2 goals. On the other hand, if we'd like to highlight the action itself, and I mean scoring the 2 goals, what should we say? Yeah, like you said, what Marwan did was to score the 2 goals. I can hear someone asking, what's between practice, mister? And what is the meaning of cleft sentence? Is it a new type of sentences? This is a good question. Let me clarify something for you at first. If we are talking with a friend and we'd like to focus or highlight some words, what can we do? Yeah, exactly. Like Hussam said, we have to raise up our voice. The question here, can we highlight some words or phrases in writing? Interestingly, yes, we can do that. We can do that using the cleft sentences. So, a cleft sentence is used to highlight some words or phrases while writing. And it's derived from a simple sentence. I mean, it's formed from a simple sentence by dividing it into 2 clauses. Look at the following example. John broke the window. It's a simple sentence. Nothing is highlighted here. But if you'd like to highlight any part of the sentence, you should use a cleft sentence with it. Like the following one, it was John who broke the window. Here is I focus on John. I highlighted it, or I highlighted this part, preceding it by it was. You can say as well, it was the windows that John broke. Note that I used the suitable relative pronoun. John is a person, so I use to. Windows is a thing, so I use that or which. On the other hand, I can highlight the action itself by using cleft sentence with what clause. You can say what John did was to break the window. There are many types of cleft sentences, but today we will talk about cleft sentences with it. And let's study some examples together. It was the king who cried. Look at the following example. I highlighted the king. I mean that the king, the only one or no one else who cried. It was the king who cried. I preceded the king by it was, then I used a suitable relative pronoun who matches the king. Example number 2. It was our neighbors who had the party. Number 3. It's you who always help me. Note that it was followed by singular noun or plural noun or a pronoun. And note that verb to be, was or is always singular, agreeing with it, even if the complement is plural. Let's practice together what you have understood. Look at the following example. Tom met Jack in the club last night. It's a simple sentence. Nothing is highlighted here. But if you'd like to highlight any part of the sentence, I should use, as I told you, cleft sentences with it. So, who can tell me the answer or the structure can be used to focus on Tom? Can you think? Okay. It was Tom who saw Jack in the club last night. I'm talking about Tom, and Tom is a person. And I should use or choose the suitable relative pronoun that matches Tom. As I told you, you should proceed the sentence with it was, then the part you'd like to focus on, and a suitable relative pronoun, then the next or the second clause. I'd like to focus on Jack this time, and Jack is the object of this sentence. So, can you think about the structure can be used? Yeah, exactly. You can say it was Jack whom Tom saw in the club last night. Note that I focused on the object and I chose the suitable relative pronoun. Who can tell me the structure can be used to focus on last night? And last night is a time. So can you think about the suitable relative pronoun that matches the last night? Yes, that's right. I can say it was last night when Tom saw Jack in the club. As I told you, I have to divide the sentence into two parts. It was last night, then the suitable relative pronoun, then the second clause. The last part in the sentence, in the club. And in the club is a place. So what is the suitable relative pronoun? Can you think about that? The same structure can be used. It was the club, and the suitable relative pronoun is where? Tom saw Jack last night. Okay guys, now let's turn to our booklet or HIS worksheet to answer some questions related to the information we've understood. Open your worksheet at page 41, the evaluation part, and let's answer these questions. Number 1. It was Rawan who spaced us the good news. Let's maximize the page at first. Yeah. Okay, who can tell me the right answer here? It was Rawan who spaced us the good news. Yeah, exactly. Like you said. It was Rawan who gave us the good news. Number 2, it spaced the students who broke the desk. Yeah, this is right. It was, even if the plural noun comes after verb to be. As I told you, you have to use the verb to be in the singular form, even if the plural nouns come next. Number 3, space a sunny day when we played on the beach. Yeah, exactly. It was a sunny day when we played on the beach. Number 4, it's the fresh air in the countryside space we love more than anything there. Yeah, now you have to think about the suitable relative pronoun here. I'm referring to the fresh air. What is the suitable relative pronoun that matches this object? Yeah, exactly. That is the suitable pronoun for the fresh air. Number 5, It's the cruel space who are responsible for the destruction. Can you think? Yeah, it's the cruel space who are, exactly. Are refers to a plural noun, so I should say it's the cruel men who are responsible for the destruction. Number 6, it was Omar and Ahmed who spaced written that report. Yeah, exactly. It was Omar and Ahmed who had written that report. Number 7, it space you who stole my mobile phone. Who stole? Can I say is? No. I should say it was you, because if I used is, I have to match the same tense in the same clause or in the same sentence. Number 8, space our neighbors who make such noise every night. It space our neighbors who make such noise every night. Our neighbors is a plural now, and I guess you remember the rule. I should use verb to be in the plural, in the singular form, even if the following noun is a plural. Yeah, exactly. So I should say it was our neighbors who make such noise every night. Okay, so number 9, I guess number 9, 10 and 11, I can delay that to the next video, because we have to study the what cleft sentence clause and all these sentences related to the next lesson. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you found it beneficial. Don't forget to do your homework at page 45 in HIS worksheets. And for any comments or questions, please contact me at any time throughout Edmodo. I'll be there to reply and answer all your questions. See you next video. Goodbye.
Hello again, my lovely students. Hope that you enjoyed that video and found it beneficial. Don't forget to do the homework in your worksheets on HIS worksheets. See you next video. Goodbye.